Hello KG3 students, I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to talk about the things that we can find inside the soil and about the natural habitat of living things. So let us take a look of the things that are found inside the soil. Normally we know that plants live in the soil because plants take minerals from the soil in order to make their food and grow. But there are also certain living things that are found inside the soil. For example, if you look here, this is a bacteria. These are tiny microorganisms that are found inside the soil. There are also certain types of earthworms, such as this one and this one. There are also some insects, such as the ant, grasshopper, cockroach. Now, if you look at this picture, it's in your book, page 170. In this picture, the blue arrow resembles the things that are found inside the soil. For example, there is earthworm. This is an earthworm. This is also an earthworm. There are also some insects, such as this one, ant, ladybug. There are also some rocks, like this one and this one, rocks and stones, and dead stem of plants. So they are asking us in page 170 to circle all the things that do not belong to this soil, so that are not found inside the soil. So normally you do not find a nail, the cufflink, glass, pen, and a car. So these things are not found inside the soil. Now we move to the natural habitat of living things. Living things live mainly animals and plants in three places, which is the forest, the desert, and the sea. So this is also found in your books, page 173, and they are asking you to circle the things that you might see in a desert. So in a desert, you only see the cactus plant and the lizard. So the cactus and the lizard are found inside, or they live in desert. Now, this is also a comparison between a desert soil and a forest soil. So inside a forest, you can see the earthworms, you can see also the leaves of a plant that are falling on the ground, while in the desert, you only see sand, stones, and certain animals such as a scorpion. So they are asking you to put X on the picture that show the desert soil. So the pictures that show the desert soil are this one that has the stone and the scorpion. So these are found in the desert soil. While they are asking you to circle the pictures that show the forest soil. So in the forest, you will see in the soil earthworm, some insects, and some dead leaves that are falling on the ground. So this is page 174 on your books. Now again, this is a comparison between the soil of a forest and the soil of a desert. So the first picture is the soil of a forest. So what are the things that are found inside the soil of a forest? as we mentioned before, we found dead leaves. You find also earthworms and some insects. They are asking you to circle all the things that do not belong to the forest soil. So the things that do not belong to the forest soil are the crayon here, the car, and the eyeglasses. In the second picture here, this is the soil of a desert. In the desert we find the scorpion, we find ant, and some rocks. So they are asking you to put X on the things that do not belong to the desert soil. So the things that do not belong to the desert soil is the ball, the car, and the coin. So these are the things that we have to learn for this week. I hope you are doing well. Stay safe at home and study well.